Is that a full warehouse of shoes, or is that just a closet? A little closet space?
Well, I'll get those sometime.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. What we doing?
Oh. Oh.
We just came shooting from 40 out.
Oh. Oh.
Well, I'll get those sometime.
Hold on, is that a full warehouse of shoes, or is that just a closet? A little closet space?
Yeah, that was a smooth one right there. Finally got someone else making the beats. Homage is good, homage is great, got me through a lot of years. But that was my man Ace B, 1981 Acito with the smooth one. Appreciate that. But today we have the Air Jordan Low, even though I still think it's a mid, the Low UNC with the collar. And these ones are dope. I still personally like the Lightning pair better than these, but these are dope. The concept is based off of Jordan's time at UNC, even though he wasn't even wearing Nikes at UNC. He was wearing Converse back then, which is ironically owned by Nike now, and he also wore Converse the Summer Olympics, I believe, in 1984. After that, he goes on to start the Nike Air Jordan line, and then he starts years later the Jordan brand Jordan line. Now, back to the 17, and it was actually hard for me to find any video footage of Jordan wearing this shoe. I can only find him when he actually got like an injury or got hurt. He was pretty old though. I believe he was 39 at this point, and if you look really close, there they are, the 17 UNC lows. Again, I scoured YouTube looking for any other game time footage, but I did find a lot of cool pictures of him wearing these. I don't know who that was, dang. He's got the no sock look on that one. Sean Marion with the and ones on that one. Here's a closer look at him with the jump shot. Kobe in the picture, no socks again. And again, I think the shoe's more of a mid of anything. It's not really a low. The Nike Kobe's kind of redefined what the low is, but I did find this footage of Mariah Carey during the All-Star game performing. And look at the jersey dress. That's the long jersey dress. I remember the shorter jersey dresses, but that was pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure MJ really enjoyed that moment. And I really wish they would just give us this sneaker here, the Jordan 17 Wizards or whatever. While looking around, I did find this pair, which might be the cleanest low they've ever made. But they did re-retro the Coppers in 2016, but I really never liked those, and I kind of don't like them now, and that's probably just because I don't have them. But I do really enjoy these, and I'm actually happy that they're re-retroing the 17 with the briefcase, which is interesting because when these originally dropped, they came with the black Jordan box, and they came with UNC colored dust bags, no briefcase. I found this on Instagram, and this is showing obviously the OG colorway of the sneaker with a UNC or University blue briefcase. They will be $300 American dollars, and I think that's a fair price considering the mid pair back in the day came with the briefcase at $200, and that was back in 2002, so we're in 2024 of the making of this video, so 20 plus years. I mean, I guess that's a reasonable price. I'll try to pay it if I can get my hands on these, because these are like non-existent when they drop. Like, there's no way to really get these. I mean, unless you're lucky or you pay resale. I mean, the pair I have is we'll just call them a prototype. That's why I don't have a briefcase, but let's go ahead and peel this off. I never peeled that off, but I don't think that blue peel off sticker looks good on these because the shoe was blue already. So let's just take it off. I do like that sticker on the Lightning pair, and I only took it off of that pair because I made a video. I took it off of one pair actually, not both pairs, but these, I just don't like the sticker. It actually looks good with the metallic silver looking thing, but They give you really nice tumbled leather on the upper, and then they give you another nice, smoother, punctured looking leather right above the tumbled leather, which is really good. I love the design of this sneaker. I didn't really like it back in the day because all the newer Jordans were just kind of like, eh. The last pair of Air Jordans he officially laced up were the Jordan 18s, and they looked weird, but they were super comfortable. I had the black pair and I spilled milk on them. It was terrible. And this shoe is also really comfortable. I do like the little Carolina blue booty collar thing they have on it, because if they didn't have that on it, the shoe would actually look really weird. Just imagine with no collar on the sneaker. That would look pretty weird, and it does serve its purpose. It might be all aesthetics, but for some reason it just works. And this shoe at the time was super technically advanced for basketball sneakers. They always try to up the game with the Air Jordan line, and these were no exception. They work really well. Even today when I was wearing them outside, they actually were really, really comfortable. And that's always been a Jordan thing, to put a 23 in several places all over the sneaker. I'm just checking the craftsmanship here on the sneaker, looking for glue stains and that sort of thing, and there's nothing. But like I said, I have a prototype, so I bought my own briefcase for the Lightnings. I didn't buy another briefcase for this pair because I really didn't need it. I didn't need it for the other pair either. I just wanted to show you guys that even if you have the official briefcase that comes with the sneaker, you can get this briefcase that has a key and it has locks off Amazon. The link is in the description, so go ahead and check that out. I actually like just putting the whole sneaker box in the case and just calling it a day, but I do think the sneaker looks amazing on foot. These, again, I was like, I don't know about these, but no, they're great. I mean, just look at them. It's a very clean shoe. You are definitely going to have some cleanup problems with the white midsole around the toe. That's going to be really, really hard to keep clean. That's just how they made sneakers around that time. It was kind of style over maintenance and keeping them up, but that's why I like the Lightnings, because they gave you the black midsole, which, I mean, there's dirt on there, you just can't see it, and it's just a lot easier to maintain. But I still think the Lightnings look overall better than the UNC's University Blues, or what they're calling them in 2024. So you guys let me know in the comments, is this something that you will invest in here in like another couple of weeks or not? I'm gonna try to get them because I make videos. I just want to see what the briefcase looks like. I might just put them back, sell them. I have no idea. But what I do know is they need to bring back this Wizard colorway. They just got to do it. Just do this colorway and I'm good. Maybe the red ones too, but after that I'll probably be okay with the 17 lineup. But that's my video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you watch another video. If you're bored, if you're not bored, just do it anyway. And I'm out. Peace, love, and light. Have a great day.